Oh, see, I like this one. To pop this rice. This is my favorite thing to do. To pop the small balls. I like it very much. So satisfying to do. Oh, do you like it? Hello, Goodan, Bisha. See, look, very small. Then you need to pop it. Cut it's come out. See, like this. That's why I like to do with this. I call this a pimple ball slime. There's more. Oh, there's more. That's cool. Yeah, very cool. Oh, there's more. There's a big one. Here you go. Oh, see? Oh, see? I told you. It's come out by, when you push it. It looks like pimples. Hello, Chad. Shout out, Chad.